I wanted to take a look at this. This is a Digitech voltmeter. This is from Jaycar. I bought it for about $33, maybe $34, maybe $39. Can't quite remember. Backlight. Wow. Okay. Diode test. Multimeter. 3 AAA batteries. Okay, so they've ditched the 9-volt batteries. Did they include the batteries? It says contents, 2 AAA batteries. Well, you can see how humid it is. My breath is fogging up the black cardboard. So yeah, we'll get into this. So we get a little booklet, and I'll do the usual, so you can take your screenshots and have a look at it. This probably isn't going to be a very long video. It tells you the accuracy of the readings there. 0.5%, 0.8%, plus minus 1% for AC voltage. That's pretty good. Might be a bit of noise in the background. I'm just parked on the side of the highway. Intentionally left blank. I like how they've got to put that now, in case somebody goes, oh, is there meant to be writing here? I'm missing a page. So that's it there. Nice little circuit board in the background. Now, looking at these cords, they look a bit better than the old cheapie meter ones. And they look a little bit better, again, than the not so cheapie ones. Where is my cheapie meter? I have misplaced my cheapie meter. I have found my cheap ALDI meter. Well, I think it was a not so cheap meter. It might have been 25 bucks maybe. So we'll compare these cords. Quite the same thickness. Yeah, okay. Alright, they feel very similar then. We'll compare these. I think these definitely look a lot safer than the ones that come on the ALDI meter. Ferrix. Yeah, so these are 600 volt rated. Oh, does that spin? I don't know why that spins. Is that... Oh, okay. 600 volt Cat 2. And that's just a little cover, I suppose. Yeah, so those cords actually feel pretty good. Just stabbed myself at the end there. But yeah, this little cheapie meter from ALDI is, it's okay. But, whether it's the battery or the switch was a bit dicky on it. So yeah, I just had a few problems with that one. And I don't know if it was 100% accurate. Not that you'd expect that. So we'll continue with getting this out of the box. Well, I saw it turn on then. So maybe you don't have to do anything with the batteries. Maybe it's just a little beep. I'll do it close as you can hear the beep. Okay. And this one is an auto ranging and also non-contact. So yeah, Interesting. So you don't really have to, so there's your volts AC and your volts DC. Now I have a battery just above me. So come on. Oh, okay. They've got little black plugs in there. Interesting. Okay, so it's common. That's slotted in quite nicely, must admit. And we'll have a little plug in this one too, I suppose. So this is your volts, diodes, and ohms. Yeah, that feels quite nice and secure in there. Now just off camera I have a battery, so I'm just going to give you a voltage. Well, we've got 12.81, and if I press the little voltage at the top here, the meter on the top of the battery box says 12.7, so however accurate that is, probably not very, but that's 12.81 apparently. And I've just charged my lithium batteries, so just off camera I'll check the voltage over here. So my lithium batteries are... Oh, it has a hold button. Give me one moment. There we go, 13.3. 333s. And it does have a backlight. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Auto. Setting does nothing. Yep. So, definitely functions. You have your little stand there like usual, and maybe something to hang it off. Oh, and a place for your leads. Look at that. Isn't that nice? You can wrap your cord around, shove them in the back there. Yeah, that's not bad actually. And the backlight is pretty good. Oh, we'll just check the sound of continuity. Apparently there's no continuity between those. Interesting. That should have continuity. Wow. Not quite sure what I'm doing wrong there. Hold, auto. There seems to be no sound from the continuity. Anyway, that's what the instructions are for, I guess. Oh, that's the Digitech Autoranging non-contact voltage digital meter. Quite the mouthful for a hobbyist.